Serve it over some garlic toast and potatoes. Wash them. Ton of garlic, like 3 heaping tablespoons, just like that. 1 packet of Dano's onion dip, just straight in. 1/4 cup of your favorite creamy Italian dressing. Use this stuff from Olive Garden. It's really good. 1 cup of beef stock, and then give it a mix to coat all your potatoes. Get out your favorite mixing bowl and 2 pounds of stew meat. You're going to season it with Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Now hit that beef with some Worcestershire sauce, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons, however much you like. 1 packet of the zesty Italian salad dressing mix. Get out your glove. Toss the mix with your hand. That way everybody is coated in all that seasoning we just put on there. Beef goes on top of the potatoes. We don't mix it though. Just put it on there. Huh? Just like that. Now you're going to add 1 stick of unsalted butter just to the top. Cover, cook on high, cook on low, doesn't matter. Just cook till the beef is tender and the potatoes are Gordon Ramsay pork tender approved. Garlic butter beef, so good. Go on and make your plate, baby.